Do you know what these political criminals did again? They say, oh, the meeting will now hold sometime in February with no date. All to achieve the information I'm giving you today, that by February next year, they will tell you that the tenure is already expiring by October. Let him complete. Then when he gets to October, he will present himself to run as chairman. And then you have a PDP, that the national leaders of the PDP is always meeting with APC leaders. Look at that kind of insult. Going to London, having meetings with APC leadership, both Damagum and Siminalayi, with the support, tactical support of some of the governors. And I will mention their names today. Because if the founding fathers of this party are alive and seeing what they are doing, they will be crying. So the agenda is to ensure that these outlaws do not, they will remain and sabotage the party, ensure the party have no presidential candidate. In the event it will be a weakling. And then they think that by doing that, some of them will be allowed to control their states. They forgot the mistake of 2003 when some AD members supported our own party. They all lost their seat, except who was smart to regain Lagos. We have a national chairman, a national secretary, who is 24 hours in Wike's bedroom, a minister in APC government. At a time Nigeria is facing food crisis, poverty, hunger, security, and opposition is supposed to lead and set constructive agenda. Our own opposition is now under the bed of the ruling party. I'm proudly doing it. And some of our governors will go to Jos because they are part of this political fraud and say they should stay till next year, whenever. Whenever. They don't consider the feeling of millions of party members and Africans who have expectations that the PDP should be the foremost opposition movement in Africa that should provide direction. Our elders in the BOT cannot stand up to look them in the face and say, these children, stop this nonsense. When an elder refuses to speak and things are damaging, that elder is becoming irresponsible. You need to stand up and tell them, stop this joke. Section 47 and Section 45 is very clear. And what did he say? If there is a vacancy, 45, the deputy chairman will add. But without prejudice to Section 47. What is 47? That the party will summon a next meeting and appoint an acting replacement from the zone or area where the former occupant originated from. Is that a difficult task? Is that a difficult task? Today, Sheyi Makinde, the governor of Oyo State, is part of this conspiracy. Governor Caleb of Plateau State, Governor Fintiri of Adamawa, Abamoro, and a whole lot of other people have sabotaged and sold the future of our party. They elevate their personal friendship and servitude to Wike above the interests of our party. When I remember, like I told you, when Ekweme was the first national founding chairman with Jerry Ghana as his secretary, even in the time of Ayu, the time of Gamede, the time of Solomon La, the time of Ahmadu Ali, the time of Amanga, we did not go this low. So members of the party need to know that they have sold it, and proudly. You give a vote of confidence on a group of political urchins. A party that wrote this kind of letter. Just look at. Look at this letter. Another letter. I told you about the first one. Now Damagum wrote another one with Siminalayi. Very shameful people. And said appointing an APC lawyer to represent a PDP matter. Appointing an APC lawyer to represent a PDP matter. Wike's lawyer. Shamelessly, this is not a chairman of a political party. And governors went to judge to say he should continue in office because they are embedded in the plan to destroy PDP. So that they will go to court and support a case that will help in seizing the allocation of a PDP-controlled state, that will give impetus to lawmakers who are no longer lawmakers having defected to impeach a PDP governor. And you say there's a future for the party.
No greed them, oh, no greed them, no greed them, oh, no greed them, no greed them, oh, no greed them, no greed them, oh, no greed them. Ikenga, no greed them, no greed them, no greed them, don't allow. No greed them, oh, no greed them, no greed them, oh, no greed them, oh, don't agree. No greed them, oh, don't allow. No greed them, oh, no greed them, no greed them, oh, no greed them.
Today, every party member across every part of the country, including non-members and those who look up to PDP, they are heartbroken that we have been sold out by few of our governors. You can call that next meeting tomorrow if you are serious and appoint an acting chairman, but because they have an agenda, these governors have an agenda. Makinde, Governor Fintiri of Adamawa, and Abamoro and Caleb of Plateau, that Damagum should stay, so that there will be no opportunity for PDP to lead other opposition parties to a coalition. They don't want merger, they don't want coalition, they don't want alliance, and this is what they went to just to perfect. And our BOT were there, they couldn't work out, they couldn't stand up against them. I don't like mentioning the name of Wike, even though he looks at every opportunity to insult me. I am blaming those who have been turned into servants in carrying out his agendas that are anti-democratic and risky to survival of democracy and moral uprightness. I don't care about what they are planning. I hear they are planning to frame me and all those nonsense. I don't care. But my voice will continue to be sound and loud against them.
Ask them why you not they do like this? Why? Ask them why you not they do like this? Why? Ask them why you not they do like this? Why? Oh yeah. Ask them why you not they do like this? Why?
So I urge every member of the party, start speaking up. Start mobilizing. As they are now mobilizing some of the state chairmen they imposed on us, who are APC members. Some of them, they are giving them $5,000. Do you know what they want them to do? They want them to pass a resolution that Damagum will stay in office forever. And a resolution that there will be no merger and alliance. And guess what? They will do us the Borno option, whereby before the presidential primary, state chairman of PDP will now endorse APC candidates for presidential election.
APC miarega kembe shin no chimana oledi hen no chitana unu ja choga ko no cherega ma okporu zaga ya go ando reri ugbo peshoni asa nwucha no unu na chokwa ko no cherega wa APC miarega kembe shin no chimana oledi unu chitana unu ja choga ko no cherega ma okporu zaga ya go ando reri ugbo peshoni asa nwucha na unu na chokwa ko no cherega ma.
Let me say this clear, that we're going to return back also to the legal trenches. We will challenge once again the continued stay of Damagum and Siminalayi as national officers of this party. The battle will resume again. We will fight for the soul of this party, so that when history will be written, we will be remembered for doing something against these political buccaneers. I salute the few governors who boycotted the meeting yesterday. They are men of honor and integrity. They refused to soil their hands in that rotten porridge they were sharing in Jos. Shameless people, your own party. If you want to join the APC, You join APC. If you are man enough, if you have the capacity. Peter Obi went to Labour Party and made him part. Owashi? Kwankwaso went to AMPP and made him part. Is he alive? Mimiko went to Labour Party last time and made him part. Is he alive? But these clans are running around just to destroy our own political party as the only way to feed, as the only way to run away from arrest and investigation. What did we do to them? Did we do anything to them? What they call themselves G5 or whatever they call themselves. Is this what we should teach our children how to play politics? Is this how Awolowo and Azikiwe and Tafawa Balewa did it? Even 1999, 2003, those governors were still men. They stood their ground. It doesn't take 1 week, 2 weeks to affect the change. When Solomon Law left, Gamede took over. When Gamede them left, Amadou Ali them came. Even when Bamango left, Ali Modu Sherif came. When he left, Adamu Mazu came. It was a peaceful transition. But now they are going through the court, abusing our judiciary. They went to the Federal High Court, and the Federal High Court said somebody who is supposed to call a next meeting to elect and appoint an acting chairman should now remain in office. The court did not see Section 47. As a judge, you must not just only give judgment, but you must make people know or see that justice has been done.